Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Anthem Health, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Anthem Health website to explore available resources. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access personalized budgeting tools. Review your current health plan details to understand your coverage options. Take note of your monthly premium, deductibles, and copays. Prepare a list of all your expected medical expenses for the upcoming year. Include routine doctor visits, medications, and any planned procedures. Use the budgeting tool available on the Anthem website to input your expenses. Calculate your total healthcare costs based on your plan and expenses. Set a realistic monthly budget that includes your healthcare costs. Consider setting aside additional funds for unexpected medical expenses. Review your overall financial situation to include other necessary living expenses. Adjust your budget as needed to ensure it remains sustainable. Monitor your spending throughout the year to stay on track. Log back into your Anthem account periodically to reassess your health budget. Utilize the resources and support offered by Anthem to help manage your expenses. Stay informed about any changes in your health plan that may affect your budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.